Charge is an innovative email plugin that seamlessly integrates with Outlook and allows you to easily manage your emails like a pro. Charge offers a range of features that make it the ultimate email management tool for busy professionals. The best part is, setting it up is fast and simple. Go to chargemyemail.com and click Install for Chrome or Install for Edge. This will redirect you straight to the Chrome Web Store or Microsoft Edge add-on page, where you then need to click Add to Chrome or Get if on Microsoft Edge. Now, once installed, you need to go to Outlook or Exchange and log in. Once you're in, you should see a pop-up appear asking you to connect your mailbox to your Charge extension. Once you connect the two, you're good to go. Now, click on your extension again and you'll see what you have from your current plan. Since you're on the free version, you get 50 emails you can send with Charge, bulk sending, custom variables, leads management, and a 100% delivery rate. Now, let's try sending out some emails. Click New Mail, and from here, you want to click Import CSV, and import the lead list you want to send emails to. It's important to note that in your CSV, there needs to be a column called Email without any other wording, otherwise the CSV will not upload. Once uploaded, a pop-up will appear on the bottom left side of your screen with information on the recipients uploaded via your CSV. You have the ability to see if there are any duplicates or errors in the file uploaded. If you have any duplicates or errors, you can see them on the pop-up and remove them from there. Now that you have your lead list uploaded, get your subject line and email all set up and ready. When typing up your email body, you will see a blue button, Insert Variable, which allows you to pull different pieces of data from the CSV previously uploaded. You can insert these variables to either your subject line or email body. After finalizing your email, click Send and watch the magic happen. If you see that the free plan is not enough for your current needs, click on the extension and you can either click on the Upgrade to Premium button, or in the upper right corner, you'll see a credit card icon. Click on this icon and it will redirect you directly to your current plan information. From here, you can upgrade your plan to Premium to get even more benefits and features. If you have any questions, contact us at support@charge.com.